Good morning. Today we are going to see practice problems, I can say, on constant acceleration. So now we have Civil Engineering Technical Hub, and then in this playlist, you can refer engineering mechanics subject, and from this you are able to solve the problems in examination. So now some of the videos are listed over here. So in this we are with constant acceleration. So first problem. So in examination always go with given data, and if you can plot this given data in a diagram, then it becomes easy for you to solve this. So I can draw the diagram. Initial speed is given 70. So I will draw a car. And for this car, initial velocity is given 70 kilometer per hour. And then we have final velocity. That is given V is equal to 120 kilometer per hour. And acceleration is given 6,000 kilometer per hour square. And then we are interested to find value of X, and we are interested to find value of T. Now we can have U, V, A. So we can use V equal to U plus AT. Keep everything in kilometer and hour, because all data is in kilometer per hour. If you will convert, it will take time to solve the problems into T. And from this we will get T is equal to 120 minus 70 divided by 6,000. And from this we will get 50 upon 6,000. So this 5 gets cancelled, and we have 1, then 2, 1 by 120, but value is in hours. If we have to find out it in second, then we have 1 by 120 into, convert hour into seconds, 3600. And from this we will get this as 30 seconds. So time required, we have 30 seconds to reach velocity 120 kilometer per hour. Now we have another equation. You can use any equation. You can use S equal to UT plus half AT square also. That is your choice. You can go for any equation. So now we have V square. So 120 square equal to 70 square plus 2 into 3600 into S. Now from this we will get S equal to 120 square minus 70 square divided by 2 into 3600. And if you solve this, then we will get it as 120 square minus 70 square divided by 7200, V square, this is not 3600, we have 6,000. So this is 6,000. So we have 120 square minus 50 square divided by 12,000. Divide by 12,000. We will get this value as 0.792, and this value we have in kilometers. And if you solve this, you will get this as 792 meter. So X we will have 792 meter, and T we will have 30 seconds. Then we will go to the second problem. Car starts from rest. So again, I already mentioned, always be habitual to draw the diagram and show data in this. You can solve problem very easily. So you can see a car starts. Initial velocity 0, rest, start from rest, and final velocity is given, which is v, 24 meter per second. Now they have given distance traveled during this is 150 meters, and we have to find out what we have to find out. Find a and then t. Now you can see we have u, we have s, we have v. So we can use v square equal to u square plus 2as. So 24 square equal to 0 plus 2 into 150. And by solving this, we will get it as value 1.92 meter per second square. So 1.92 meter per second square. So we have constant acceleration 1.92 meter per second. So now we have to find value of time. So we have equation v equal to u plus at. This is 24. We have 0. A now we have 1.92 into t. And from this we will get value of t is equal to 12.5 seconds. So we have these two answers. So now we can have a sprinter, a 100-meter race. I always mention, draw the diagram, a sprinter, 100-meter race. So it will travel distance 100 meters. So it will be here. And then start from rest, because it mentioned accelerates. And then for first 35 minutes, means we have for first 35 minutes, this will be let us somewhere here. So we have this distance 35 meters. Then time is given for this. So we have for this T1 I will say 5.4 seconds. So this is AB part I will mention. And then we have another BC part. So I will go with data AB part. So what is given? S is given. T is given. U is given. So what equation we can use? So we have to find out acceleration, velocity. So now u0, a we have to find out, s we have given. So s equal to half ut plus at square. S is 35, u0, this term becomes 0, equal to half into a into 5.4 square. And by solving this, for a, we will get value of a, and that value is equal to 2.4 meter per second. We have three equations only. We have to check out of these three which we can use. Now we got value of a 2.4 meter per second. Now we have to find out his final velocity. Now a B to C we have acceleration 0. So whatever velocity we have at B, same velocity is C. So we can write VB equal to VC. And now we have VB. So V equal to U plus AT. And now we have velocity at B, U0. A is 2.4 and then 5.4. Because velocity is given. So we have 2.4 into 5.4, 12.96 meter per second. This is final velocity. So we have this velocity as final velocity. So whatever is required in AB, that is completed. Now BC, we have X A equal to 0. So we have S equal to UT, AT is 0. So now S we have, so this BC is 65 meters now. So we have, sorry, UT plus half AT square. This is 0. So we have S 65. Now we have A0, sorry. So we have now BC. So write down data, UB is equal to VB equal to 12.96 meter per second. And then we have A0. So equation if I will use, S equal to UT plus half AT square, then my A is 0. And initial velocity is equal to final velocity 12.96 into T is T2. And from this we will get value of T2, that is equal to 5.06 seconds. And total time of travel we have T is equal to T1 plus T2. T1 is 5.4 and T2 is 5.06. And we have T equal to 10.46 seconds. So total time of travel, we have 10 total time of travel. Total time of travel. So likewise, we have to solve the problems. Then you can go for 2 automobiles in adjacent lanes. So we have given data. Same direction, adjacent are stopped at a traffic signal, means we have signal over here. And we have 2 vehicles in adjacent lanes and stopped at signal. So we have this as signal. One we have car in this fashion, another we have simple car. So now it is given initial velocity of both 0. So I will say A, U, B, we have 0. This will be B. Then acceleration of this given, and then after some time, both are at the same distance. So we can have, let this will be time of travel for this. And the second will be here. Now acceleration for this is given 2 meters per second square, and for B is given 3.6 meters per second square. Now this B start later, so distance traveled by B will be, so if I will say distance traveled by B is T, then distance traveled by T plus 2. Now you can have choice. You can consider A as T and you can consider B as T minus 2 because it is mentioned 2 seconds later. Automobile B starts. So now we can go to the problem. So we have to find out when and where B overtake A. Now as A we have, so data we will write UA0, AA 2 meter per second square. Then we have UB0, AB we have 3.6 meters per second square. Now we have SA, UAT plus half AAT square. Now this is 0. So we have SA equal to half, AA is 2 and T is T plus 2 whole square. Now this 2 gets cancelled. and we will get SA equal to t square plus 4t plus 4. Now here I will write as b equal to UBT plus half ABT square. Now again this is 0. So we have as B, which is equal to half AB, and now here we have AB, we have 3.6 into t square. So as B we will get 1.8 t square. Now we have given as A equal to as B because overtakes, and therefore we have t square plus 4t plus 4 equal to 1.8 t square. And if you solve this, you have 0.8 t square minus 4t minus 4 equal to 0. And we have therefore t that is equal to 5.85 seconds. So we have equation second degree minus 0.8 minus 4 minus 4. It comes 5.85 seconds. Now knowing t, this is time for B, that is 5.85 seconds. And what will be time travel for BA? So we have t is equal to, we have to add 2 in this, 7.85 seconds. So B will overtake, after 7.85 seconds, because start is A and we have to write down time with respect to A. Then we have to find speed of vehicle. Now we have formula VA equal to UA plus AA into T. This is 0. So VA we will get A is 2 into 5.85, and we have value of VA that is equal to 15.7 meters per second. And then similarly we can find value of B, VB equal to UB plus AB into T. And now we have from this VB is equal to 3.6 into 5.85. And I got this value of VB 21.06 meters per second. So likewise, we have to solve, write data very clearly in the formula. Now it is given, a car is traveling a freeway. Now, where we have 250 meter, but it travels only 200 meters. That is very clearly given. So 200 meters. Accelerates, A is given 2.5 meter per second square. Initial velocity is 8 meter per second. How long does it take the car to travel 200 meter? So it's very simple. V square equal to what is how long does it take? So it is better than directly go to S equal to UT plus half AT square. And S is given 200. U is 8T plus half into 2.5 into T square. Solve this 1.25 T square plus 8T minus 200 equal to 0. And from this, we will get value of T equal to. So we have 1.258 and minus 200. It will take 9.85 seconds. So if you have to find final velocity, V equal to U plus AT. So time of travel is 9.85 seconds. So likewise, we have to solve the problems. which are related with constant acceleration, I always mention, try to write down the formula and then solve it. So if you have any doubt, you can send me, or if you have to ask anything, you can ask this WhatsApp number. So now we will stop here only. The remaining part we will see in next lecture. Thank you.